Our planet teems with life, a symphony of diverse creatures inhabiting a breathtaking array of environments. From the lush rainforest to the icy polar regions, life finds a way. Animals in all their forms have mastered the art of survival, adapting to their surroundings in remarkable ways. This incredible ability to change and evolve is what allows them to thrive, generation after generation. The natural world is a constant source of wonder, a testament to the power of adaptation. It is a realm where the fittest survive, where every feature, every behavior serves a purpose in the grand scheme of life. Over millennia, animals have evolved astonishing strategies to overcome the challenges posed by their environments. These adaptations are not merely fascinating curiosities, they are the very essence of survival. They represent the elegant solutions that nature has crafted to ensure the continuation of life in all its splendor. In this exploration, we delve into the captivating world of animal adaptation, uncovering the secrets behind their remarkable ability to thrive. Survival in the wild is a delicate balancing act. Animals face a relentless struggle for resources, constantly navigating threats from predators and the ever-changing conditions of their habitats. To persist in this challenging arena, they have evolved an astonishing array of adaptations. These adaptations can be physical, such as the camouflage of a chameleon or the powerful legs of a cheetah. They can also be behavioral, like the complex migrations of birds or the cooperative hunting strategies of wolves. Each adaptation, whether subtle or dramatic, plays a crucial role in an animal's ability to survive and reproduce. Consider the chameleon, its skin a canvas that shifts and changes to match its surroundings. This remarkable camouflage allows it to disappear seamlessly into the foliage, ambushing unsuspecting prey and evading the watchful eyes of predators. Or contemplate the awe-inspiring sight of a pride of lions working in unison to bring down a zebra, their coordinated movements a testament to the power of social behavior. These examples and countless others highlight the ingenuity and diversity of adaptations found in the animal kingdom. They are a testament to the power of natural selection, shaping life over countless generations to thrive in even the most challenging environments. Adaptation, in its simplest form, is the process by which animals develop traits that make them better suited to their environments. These traits, honed by the relentless forces of natural selection, increase an animal's chances of survival and reproduction. Over time, these advantageous traits become more common within a population, leading to the evolution of new species. There are three main types of adaptations: structural, physiological, and behavioral. Structural adaptations involve physical features, such as the shape of a bird's beak or the color of a butterfly's wings. Physiological adaptations relate to an animal's internal functions, like the ability of a camel to conserve water or the anti-freeze properties in the blood of Arctic fish. Behavioral adaptations encompass the actions animals take to survive, such as migration, hibernation, or courtship displays. Each type of adaptation plays a vital role in an animal's survival. For example, a polar bear's thick fur and blubber layer are structural adaptations that help it withstand the frigid temperatures of the Arctic. The ability of a desert fox to regulate its body temperature is a physiological adaptation crucial for surviving in scorching deserts. And the elaborate mating dances of birds of paradise are behavioral adaptations that help them attract mates. In the following chapters, we will embark on a captivating journey into the world of animal adaptation. We will explore the fascinating ways in which animals have evolved to thrive in diverse and often challenging environments. From the masterfully camouflaged creatures that blend seamlessly into their surroundings to the epic journeys undertaken by migrating animals, we will uncover the secrets behind their remarkable survival strategies. Prepare to be astonished by the ingenuity of nature as we delve into the world of camouflage, exploring how animals disappear into thin air, mimicking leaves, rocks, and even other animals. We will then witness the grandeur of migration, following the incredible journeys of animals across continents and oceans, driven by an ancient instinct to survive. Finally, we will venture into the most extreme environments on Earth, from scorching deserts to frozen wastelands, to discover how animals have adapted to thrive in these seemingly inhospitable places. Get ready to be captivated by the wonders of the natural world as we unravel the mysteries of animal adaptation. Camouflage is the art of disappearing. Animals blend seamlessly into their environment, becoming nearly invisible. Camouflage can mean the difference between life and death. A flounder mimics the patterns and textures of the sand. Tigers and chameleons are masters of disguise. Camouflage deceives the senses, rendering animals invisible. The animal kingdom is replete with examples of camouflage, each more astonishing than the last. From the chameleon with its color-changing skin to the stick insect perfectly mimicking a twig, nature has devised an endless array of strategies for animals to disappear into their surroundings. Consider the octopus, a master of disguise that can change not only its color but also its texture and shape to match its surroundings. In the blink of an eye, it can transform from a smooth sand-colored blob to a textured algae-covered rock, disappearing seamlessly into the ocean floor. Or take the snowshoe hare, its white winter coat providing perfect camouflage against the snowy backdrop, rendering it nearly invisible to predators. Camouflage is not limited to solitary creatures. Some animals, like zebras and certain fish species, use disruptive coloration to confuse predators. The zebra's stripes, for example, make it difficult for a lion to single out an individual from the herd, especially when they are on the move. Similarly, the stripes of a school of fish can create a dazzling, disorienting effect, making it challenging for predators to focus on a single target. These examples highlight the diversity and ingenuity of camouflage in the animal kingdom. They demonstrate the remarkable ability of natural selection to shape and mold life, creating creatures that are perfectly adapted to survive in their environments. Camouflage is not merely about disappearing, it can also be used as a tool for deception and ambush. Some animals, like the flower mantis, have evolved to resemble harmless objects in their environment, using their camouflage to lure unsuspecting prey. Imagine a flower mantis, its delicate limbs and vibrant colors mimicking the petals of an orchid. To an unsuspecting insect, it appears to be nothing more than a beautiful flower. But as the insect draws near, lured by the promise of nectar, the mantis strikes, its powerful forelegs snapping shut with lightning speed. Other animals, like the tasseled wabagong, a type of carpet shark, use camouflage to ambush their prey. Lying motionless on the ocean floor, its flattened body and mottled skin perfectly mimicking the surrounding seaweed and rocks, it waits patiently for an unsuspecting fish to swim within striking distance. Camouflage in these instances is not just about hiding, but about deception. It is about creating an illusion that lures prey into a false sense of security, allowing the predator to strike with deadly precision. The effectiveness of camouflage is perhaps best appreciated when witnessed in action. Imagine a tiger, its striped coat blending seamlessly with the tall grasses of the Indian jungle. It stalks its prey, its movements slow and deliberate, its presence concealed by the dappled sunlight filtering through the trees. Or consider a cuttlefish, its skin a canvas of constantly shifting colors and patterns. It moves effortlessly through the coral reef, its camouflage adapting to the changing environment, rendering it nearly invisible to both predators and prey. In the blink of an eye, it can transform from a patch of sand to a clump of algae, its mastery of disguise allowing it to hunt and evade detection with equal ease. These examples highlight the dynamic nature of camouflage, its ability to adapt and respond to the ever-changing conditions of the environment. It is a testament to the power of natural selection, shaping and molding life to thrive in even the most challenging of environments. Camouflage, for all its effectiveness, is not an infallible defense. It is a delicate balance between adaptation and perception, a constant evolutionary arms race between predator and prey. As predators evolve to better detect camouflaged prey, prey must evolve even more effective camouflage to survive. Consider the peppered moth, a classic example of natural selection in action. Before the Industrial Revolution, the majority of peppered moths were light-colored, their camouflage providing effective protection against predators as they rested on lichen-covered tree trunks. However, as industrial pollution darkened the trees, the light-colored moths became easy targets for predators, while the darker moths, previously rare, thrived. This example highlights the dynamic nature of camouflage, its ability to shift and change in response to environmental pressures. It demonstrates that camouflage is not a static adaptation, but a constantly evolving strategy for survival. The evolution of camouflage is a testament to the power of natural selection, the driving force behind the diversity and complexity of life on Earth. It is an ongoing arms race between predator and prey, each constantly evolving to outmaneuver the other. As predators develop keener senses and more sophisticated hunting strategies, prey must evolve even more effective camouflage to survive. This can lead to the evolution of increasingly complex and intricate camouflage patterns, as well as the development of new and innovative strategies for deception and disguise. The evolution of camouflage is a fascinating and ongoing process, a testament to the ingenuity and adaptability of life. It is a reminder that the natural world is in a constant state of flux, with each species striving to survive and thrive in an ever-changing environment. Among the many wonders of the natural world, few spectacles rival the grandeur of animal migration. Picture millions of wildebeest thundering across the African savanna. Envision the skies darkened by flocks of birds, their wings beating in unison. These are the great migrations, epic journeys driven by an ancient instinct to survive. Migration is the seasonal movement of animals from one region to another. It is a response to changing environmental conditions. These journeys are a testament to the resilience of life on Earth. From the Arctic tern traveling from pole to pole to the tiny ruby-throated hummingbird crossing the Gulf of Mexico, the animal kingdom is replete with extraordinary migrations. These journeys are a testament to the power of natural selection. Migration is about timing, navigation, and understanding nature's rhythms. It is a delicate dance between instinct and environment. Birds, with their mastery of flight, are perhaps the most iconic of all migrating animals. From the Arctic tundra to the Amazon rainforest, the skies come alive each spring and fall with the spectacle of bird migration. Flocks of geese, their honking calls echoing through the air, form V-shaped formations, their journey guided by an ancient instinct. Consider the Arctic tern, a small seabird that holds the record for the longest migration of any animal. Each year, these remarkable birds travel from their breeding grounds in the Arctic to their wintering grounds in Antarctica, a round-trip journey of over 40,000 miles. This epic migration, undertaken twice a year, exposes the Arctic tern to more daylight hours than any other creature on Earth. The bar-tailed godwit, another impressive avian migrator, holds the record for the longest non-stop flight of any bird. These remarkable birds can fly for over 7,000 miles without landing, their journey taking them from Alaska to New Zealand, a testament to their endurance and navigational prowess. Bird migration is not merely about distance, it is about timing and precision. Birds arrive on their breeding grounds just as food sources become abundant, ensuring the survival of their chicks. Their arrival is a harbinger of spring, a reminder of the cyclical nature of life on Earth. The navigational abilities of migrating animals are nothing short of astonishing. How do animals, some no bigger than a thumb, navigate across vast distances, often over unfamiliar terrain, to reach their destination with pinpoint accuracy? The answer lies in a combination of instinct, experience, and an ability to tap into the Earth's magnetic field. Monarch butterflies, for example, undertake one of the most remarkable migrations in the animal kingdom. Each year, millions of these delicate creatures travel from their summer breeding grounds in North America to their wintering grounds in Mexico, a journey of over 3,000 miles. What makes this migration even more extraordinary is that no single butterfly completes the entire journey. Instead, it takes several generations of monarchs to complete the annual cycle, each generation instinctively knowing its part in the epic journey. Birds, it is believed, navigate using a combination of celestial cues, such as the position of the sun and stars, and an internal magnetic compass. They can sense the Earth's magnetic field, using it as a navigational aid to maintain their course over long distances. This magnetic sense, still not fully understood by scientists, is a testament to the remarkable sensory abilities of animals. The navigational feats of migrating animals continue to amaze and inspire scientists. Migration is not limited to land and air. The ocean's depths are also home to countless migrating animals. Humpback whales, for example, undertake one of the longest migrations of any mammal, traveling over 10,000 miles annually. Salmon, born in freshwater rivers, migrate to the ocean to mature, then return to their natal rivers to spawn. Their journey, often against strong currents and over waterfalls, is a testament to their determination. The migrations of marine animals are crucial for maintaining healthy ocean ecosystems. Understanding these migrations is essential for conservation efforts, as it allows scientists to identify and protect critical habitats. What drives animals to embark on these epic journeys? The answer lies in an ancient instinct, honed by millennia of evolution. For many animals, migration is a response to seasonal changes in food availability. Sea turtles, for example, migrate thousands of miles to lay their eggs on the same beaches where they were born. The instinct to migrate is deeply ingrained in the genetic makeup of animals. Even animals raised in captivity often exhibit migratory restlessness during the time when their wild counterparts would be migrating. While migration offers significant advantages, it also comes at a cost. Migrating animals face numerous challenges, including exhaustion, predation, and habitat loss. Predators often lie in wait along migration routes, picking off the weak and vulnerable. Human activities such as habitat destruction and climate change are increasingly posing threats to migrating animals. Deforestation can destroy critical stopover sites where migrating birds refuel. Protecting migratory corridors and mitigating the impacts of climate change are crucial for ensuring the survival of these remarkable creatures. Our planet is a tapestry of diverse environments, each posing unique challenges to its inhabitants. Some animals thrive in temperate climates, while others have adapted to survive in the most extreme habitats on Earth. Consider the frigid polar regions, where temperatures can plunge to -50 degrees Celsius, or the scorching deserts, where temperatures can soar to 50 degrees Celsius. These environments, seemingly inhospitable to life, are home to a surprising array of creatures. In this chapter, we will explore the remarkable adaptations that allow animals to thrive in these unforgiving landscapes. The polar regions, shrouded in ice and darkness for much of the year, are among the most extreme environments on Earth. Despite the frigid temperatures, these icy landscapes are teeming with life. In the Arctic, polar bears roam the ice floes, their thick fur and blubber providing insulation against the cold. In the Antarctic, penguins huddle together for warmth, taking turns to stand on the outer edges of the group. These icy landscapes offer a glimpse into the extraordinary resilience of life on Earth. The polar bear, Ursus maritimus, is a testament to the power of adaptation. A thick coat of fur and a layer of blubber provide insulation against frigid temperatures. Their large paws provide excellent traction on ice and snow. Their powerful limbs make them formidable hunters, primarily preying on seals. Their survival is linked to the health of the Arctic ecosystem, a reminder of the interconnectedness of life on Earth. South of the polar ice caps lies the tundra, a vast, treeless expanse characterized by permafrost. Plants in the tundra are typically low-lying, their growth stunted by the permafrost. Many tundra plants grow in dense mats, offering protection from harsh winds. Animals in the tundra exhibit a range of adaptations to survive the long, cold winters. Caribou migrate between the tundra and the boreal forest, following the availability of lichen. The tundra, though seemingly barren, is a delicate ecosystem, its inhabitants interconnected in a complex web of life. From the frigid polar regions, we journey to the scorching deserts, where temperatures can soar to over 50 degrees Celsius. These arid landscapes are home to a surprising array of creatures, each adapted to survive in this water-scarce environment. Many desert animals are nocturnal, avoiding the scorching daytime temperatures. They emerge at night to forage for food and water. Some animals, like the kangaroo rat, obtain all the water they need from the seeds they consume. The desert is a testament to the ingenuity of life, where creatures have adapted to thrive in extreme heat and aridity. The camel, often referred to as the ship of the desert, is an icon of adaptation to arid environments. Its humps store fat, which can be metabolized to release both energy and water. Their bodies are efficient at conserving water, producing highly concentrated urine. Camels can tolerate extreme dehydration, losing up to 30% of their body weight in water. Their large, flat feet provide stability on shifting sand. Their nostrils and long eyelashes protect them from blowing sand, further testament to their adaptation to the desert environment. From the sun-drenched deserts, we descend into the depths of the ocean, a realm of perpetual darkness and crushing pressure. The deep ocean, below 200 meters, is the largest habitat on Earth, yet one of the least explored. Despite extreme conditions, the deep ocean teems with life, from microscopic bacteria to giant squid. Many deep-sea fish have evolved bioluminescent organs, producing light to attract mates or prey. The female anglerfish, for example, has a bioluminescent lure to attract prey in the darkness. The deep ocean is a testament to the extraordinary diversity of life on Earth. Extreme environments, from the frozen poles to the scorching deserts to the crushing depths of the ocean, might seem like unlikely places for life to thrive. Yet it is in these very environments that we witness the most remarkable examples of adaptation. The creatures that inhabit these extreme environments are specialists, their existence a testament to the power of natural selection. Their adaptations highlight the ingenuity of life, its ability to thrive in challenging circumstances. These adaptations underscore the importance of preserving these unique ecosystems. The extraordinary adaptations we've explored are the products of a slow, meticulous process, evolution by natural selection. Over countless generations, nature has shaped life to fit its environment. Some individuals possess traits that give them a slight advantage, allowing them to survive and reproduce. Over time, these beneficial traits become more common, while less advantageous traits disappear. This gradual process is the essence of natural selection, leading to the evolution of new species. The adaptations we marvel at today are the culmination of millions of years of evolutionary fine-tuning, a testament to the power of natural selection to shape life. The evolution of whales from land-dwelling mammals is a compelling example of natural selection at work. Over millions of years, these creatures underwent a remarkable transformation, their bodies adapting to a fully aquatic existence. Fossil evidence reveals a fascinating story: the gradual transition from four-legged land mammals to streamlined ocean-dwelling whales. Their limbs, once used for walking, gradually evolved into flippers, perfectly adapted for propelling them through the water. Their nostrils migrated to the top of their heads, becoming blowholes, allowing them to breathe while mostly submerged. This dramatic transformation was driven by a change in environment and food sources. As these ancestral whales ventured into the water, perhaps to escape predators or exploit new food sources, those with traits better suited to an aquatic lifestyle, like webbed feet or a more streamlined body shape, were more likely to survive and reproduce. Over countless generations, these advantageous traits became more common, eventually leading to the evolution of fully aquatic whales. This remarkable journey, etched in bone and DNA, is a testament to the power of natural selection to shape life in response to environmental pressures. The blueprints for these adaptations, the instructions that dictate the development of a polar bear's thick fur or a camel's water-conserving kidneys, are encoded within their genes. These genes, passed down from generation to generation, carry the legacy of an animal's evolutionary history, a record of the adaptations that have allowed its ancestors to survive and thrive. Mutations, random changes in an organism's DNA, are the source of genetic variation. Most mutations are neutral or even harmful, but occasionally a mutation arises that confers a survival advantage. This beneficial mutation, passed on to future generations, can spread through the population, gradually increasing in frequency. The environment plays a crucial role in this process. In a stable environment, natural selection tends to favor traits that maintain the status quo. However, when the environment changes, whether due to climate change, the arrival of new predators, or other factors, natural selection can drive rapid evolutionary change, favoring traits that enhance survival in the new conditions. The genetic diversity within a population is crucial for its ability to adapt to changing environments. A population with high genetic diversity is more likely to possess the genetic variation necessary to adapt to new challenges, while a population with low genetic diversity is more vulnerable to extinction. Section 4. The Unending Dance. Evolution is not a destination, it is a continuous process, an unending dance between life and its environment. As environments change, so too must the creatures that inhabit them. Adaptations that were once beneficial may become obsolete or even detrimental as conditions shift. The peppered moth, with its changing coloration in response to industrial pollution, is a classic example of this ongoing dance between evolution and environment. As pollution darkened the trees, the light-colored moths became easy prey for birds, while the darker moths thrived. This rapid evolutionary shift, driven by a change in camouflage effectiveness, highlights the dynamic nature of natural selection. Climate change, with its potential to alter habitats, food sources, and weather patterns, is likely to drive significant evolutionary change in the coming decades and centuries. Species with high reproductive rates and short generation times, like insects and rodents, may be able to adapt quickly to these changing conditions. However, species with longer generation times, like elephants and whales, may struggle to keep pace with the rapid rate of environmental change. The future of life on Earth hinges on its ability to adapt to a changing world. Understanding the process of evolution and the factors that drive it is crucial for our efforts to conserve biodiversity and ensure the long-term survival of life on our planet. Section 5. A Tapestry of Diversity. The extraordinary adaptations we see in the natural world, from the camouflage of a chameleon to the migration of a monarch butterfly, are a testament to the power of evolution. Over millions of years, natural selection has shaped and molded life, creating a breathtaking tapestry of diversity. Each species, with its unique set of adaptations, is a testament to the ingenuity of life, its ability to find a way to thrive in even the most challenging of environments. These adaptations, often bizarre and seemingly improbable, never cease to amaze and inspire us. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of evolution, we gain a greater appreciation for the interconnectedness of life on Earth. We begin to see the intricate web of relationships that binds all living things together, from the smallest microbe to the largest whale. The study of evolution is not just about understanding the past, it is about safeguarding the future. By understanding the process of evolution and the factors that drive it, we can better protect biodiversity and ensure the long-term survival of life on our planet. For within the diversity of life lies the resilience of nature, its ability to adapt and thrive in the face of change, a legacy worth preserving for generations to come. Section 1. A Symphony of Survival. From the frozen poles to the scorching deserts, life finds a way. We've journeyed through diverse landscapes, witnessing extraordinary adaptations. Camouflage conceals and deceives. Migration conquers vast distances. Life persists in the face of challenges. The Arctic turns epic journey. The camel, a ship of the desert. These stories create a symphony of survival. Section 2. Our shared legacy. Our fate is linked to all living things. Evolution and adaptation shape us and the world. We share a common ancestor with all life. The air, water, and food we rely on come from a healthy biosphere. Adaptations teach us resilience and the importance of diversity. Our shared legacy is this planet. We must cherish and protect it.